Alright guys, excited to get this video out from Nepros. A nice little Nepros haul here. They are made from KTC tool company, Kyoto Tool. They are founded in 1950 and they make automotive special tools, tool sets, conventional tools, measuring equipment, and their flagship brand, Nepros. And they're basically the Snap-on of Japan. I believe they started in 1990 with this Nepros line, so it's fairly new still. So it is very high quality, high tolerance, very detailed oriented stuff here. It has 5G Q steel, and very curious about that. We're gonna have to see how this does. I do plan to use this stuff. This is just a little small haul here just to try it out, and then maybe later on get something a little bit more pricier. So let's dig on in. It's gonna have a nice mirror quality, as you can see with this adapter here. I already see it's gonna be a super high polish, high quality steel here. Probably gonna see my face in it. But yeah, definitely let's get on to it and see what else I have. This I got from Amazon, so this I got first, and then the rest I just got straight directly from KTC Tool. And so you can see here it's some nice Japanese style box here, this special tape, and very well packed here. Only got one little bump on that corner right there. Came in DHL, so nice arrival here. I'm very excited to open this up, so let's get on in and see what we got inside. All right, so I did a couple searches on Nepros tool hauls, and I believe Lonestar Mopar had this same style box, and it's pretty cool. He has a little haul there, and he got a really nice ratchet. He's got one of the anodized blue ones, or not anodized, it's got some special coating on it. And yeah, it's got some pretty gnarly tape here. So let's see how it comes packaged. Nice bubble wrap here. And first, let's start off with the other adapter I got. So this adapter right here is the 1/4 inch. So I plan to use these on the other ratchets first. And I'll put up right here the specs on this one. I believe it was about 20 bucks also on Amazon Japan. And yeah, check out the mirror polish on that. Very nice. Wish I had a 1/4 inch ratchet here to show how it fits. But nice and flush on this side, and nice rubber ring on here. And it turns your 1/4 inch ratchet into a nice little thumb wheel. Very nice. And then here's the packaging here, made in Japan, in BE 28. And here is the 3/8 one. I'll put the specs and everything right here. Same thing in the back. Maybe just pop it open like that. There you go. Very nice polish on it. Looks like it's not polished on the inside. Here's the comparison on the size. I believe the NBEC, C is for compact, so it's the smaller size, I think. Very nice. So let's get on to the main part of the show here. back here. It's in metric, so it's a 9.5 squares 3/8. Slide her on out and see what we got here. Nice. The foam on the top to protect it. And here it is. Looks like it's held in by foam. Nice foam strip right here. Innovative 90 gear KTC Japan. Not bad. So here it is. Flex head 3/8 body with a 1/4 inch head. So I'll put the specs right here on the 3/8. And it is the same size as the 1/4 inch. I'll put the 1/4 inch right here. And it's got the same diameter on the head and the thickness on the head, except for you get a 3/8. Definitely get a lot of use out of the 3/8. I already feel how low the back drag is on this. Super low. See, the locking head does stick out quite a bit. Sticks out more than the switch. I don't know if they changed that. So all the stuff I've seen is, I think this is quite pushed in quite a bit. I don't believe that's gonna get too much in the way. But there's no rubber ring on this one. Got the nice Nepros logo right there. And I believe this is hollow to balance out the other end. It's hard to tell, but there you go. Here's the numbers. NBRC 390F. KTC Japan. 8E might be the date code. Very nice. I believe this flex head is held by some kind of a plastic right there. Pretty sweet. The switch is kind of hard to move, but I definitely like the switch being hard to move. I hate it when it moves on its own. And here is Nepros logo. Innovative 90 gear. Very nice. Very, very delicate movement. Really have any effort to move it at all. And then I'll put the picture of the insides right here. It's a whole kit. Definitely everything is replaceable. But I don't find a kit for the flex head anywhere, which is kind of strange. So far, it's feeling good. It's locking. And let's try it on the wheel right here. All right, so this is the compact. I kind of wanted it like that so it wouldn't stick out too far in tight places. Got the nice rubber grip on here, and definitely use this. Super loose, love it. Nice and easy to turn. There's good locking. Right on. Definitely a nice ratchet, nice tight feel on this. Doesn't get tighter towards the end. Definitely tight throughout. This is the locking for the pin. Yeah, this locks the pin in the middle. They do have a breaker bar kit that I looked at, has the same setup. So definitely the pin with this locking with Loctite on it. The nylon touch is very nice. I could see this staying like this for a while. Very beautiful. Awesome. Well, there you have it. First look at the Nepros. Definitely gonna compare this to my other 3/8 compact head ratchets with the 1/4" body. Got quite a collection going on now, definitely with this, and definitely can't wait to get used to it. Very nice. So thanks for watching, guys, and on to the next.